Okay, here's our project 3. We wanted to go with escaping a burning home. Unfortunately, um, we got a lot of unfortunate things happen. Um, Mostly our schedules didn't line up as much as we hoped, so we couldn't exactly um, gather up everything as much as we liked. A lot of the things that were made wasn't didn't really work in the after we implemented it into the level. It worked. A lot of things worked separately, but they didn't work when we compiled it. Um, let's see. Right now, I can't really get the character to move. I'm not sure what happened with that. Uh, like I said, a lot of things went wrong with this project, and we just ran out of time to fix all the problems. Um, I mostly did. I modeled the house, um, the bare bones of the house, the yard. I'm trying to get it to work here, but you see my computer's being rather slow. After we compiled everything and tried to work out the bugs, is the best I could do, unfortunately. Um, let's see. I got a few free objects, and the rest I made myself. Um, let's see. Ram mostly did the coding. Um, yeah. He was mostly doing the coding. Let's see if I can pull it up. Sorry about the um, delay. That's my computer being slow. This is the code for the third person character. In the level, you're supposed to collect 3 items, a key, a photo, and a phone, so you can escape the house. If you don't collect it in time, you die, basically. Uh, and you have to collect all 3 for the door to open. Fortunately, that was the part that didn't exactly work out. Let's see what else. We also had we also made a character. Unfortunately, we weren't able to bring it into the level at all. Here's some of the. Unfortunately, it seems it doesn't want to play these. I'll add them in a separate video if it'll let me. I'll also put in the files to make sure everybody got the credit because we did try as much as we could to get everything fixed, but like I said, we just didn't. We just couldn't fix the problems in the amount of time we had. This is the general layout of the house, minus the porch and the patio. Um, let's see. We added flames to stuff, obviously. Unfortunately, it's lagging so much that it doesn't actually want to move at all. See if I can get a top-down view. Okay, well, here's a top-down view for it. Over here is the dining room. It's actually the place that you exit from. I'll go back to the reference sheet to show you the way that you're actually supposed to go. This here's the kitchen. Um, Here's the living room. It has a false door that leads to the garage, and if you end up going into the garage instead of out through the dining room, it's basically a trap and you instantly die there. These two are guest rooms. They're also trap zones, so you shouldn't go in there. Yeah, that's about it for the house, besides the garage. For the walkway right here. Um, yeah, I'll upload images and the animation files separately because I think my computer has had it. Yeah, we tried.